Okay, so now we're going to set up our Flyscreen room for our awning. We're going to grab that from the boot of our vehicle. You'll see that comes in a small canvas bag like so, so it's easily stored. And we're going to take it out of here. Part of our kit, we've got our draft skirt. The idea with this, simply studs on the side of the vehicle. You start over here. And that really stops out bugs and mozzies and so forth coming from under the vehicle. We'll now take our tent and set it over our awning. It is easier with 2 people at this stage, but it can be done as one. Once that's set in that position, we're going to wind the awning out a little further, like so. We'll get it to there, and then we're simply going to raise the awning up. So now we've got our Flyscreen room set up. We've got a nice opening door here, but this really does give you a safe, clean, mozzie-free area, and it really expands the size of your vehicle.